Okay, children, in exercise number 5.4, we have few questions and I am going to solve it. So let's see question number 3. And among all these 3 children, kindly note down in your math notebook. Okay, Priya, you also. It's 86 divided by 2. Here 2 is divisor, 86 is divided, and when we solve it, we will get the tutor and reminder. Okay, so first we read table of 2, which is not more than 8. Two four ja 8 and 6 will come down. 2 3 ja 6. Then your Q10 will be 43. And question number 6. Yes, Pooja. Yes. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आपको खुद से सॉल्व करना है, ठीक है? अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी देन यू कैन आस्क। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, 952 divided by 7. So first we read table of 7, which is not more than 9. Then 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, but 14 is more than 9. So we read table of 7 only one time. 7 1 ja 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2, and 5 will come down. 25 here. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 3 ja 21. So we write here 3 and 21 just down of 25. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. But we can't write 0 here, so we put a symbol of cross. And 2 will come down. 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42. Then we write here 6 and 42 will be down. Yes. 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0. Then your Q10 will be 136. Answer will be 136 of question number 7. Sorry, question number 6. And children, I hope you all have write down question number 3. So I am going to erase it. Now we'll see question number 10. In question number 10, 9,056 divided by 8. नोट डाउन करो पहले आप. यस बेटा, आपको इसीलिए मैं वेट कर रही हूँ आपको. Virat, go fast. Children, I hope you all have done this or you all have understood this question. So, let's see question number 10. 8 1 ja 8. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. And 0 will come down. So, here 10. Again 8 1 ja 8. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. And 5 come down. 8 1 ja 8. 8 2 ja 16. 8 3 ja 24. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. And 6 will come down. So here 16. 8 2 ja 16. So your total will be 1132. 1132 will be your answer of question number 10. And children, let's see question number 12. It's a 9,303 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And 3 will come down. So here 23. Here will be 23. 7 1 ja 7. 2 ja 14. 3 ja 7 3 ja 21. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. and 0 will come down, so here will be 20. 7 2 ja 14. And children, here we will borrow from 2. Then 0 will convert into 10. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. And 3 will come down, so here will be 63. Seven nine ja 63. Then your answer will be 1329 of question number 12.